Have a look at this, guys. Here's another model that I've just found by Silvercraft, the 32 WA, which I assume means walk around. The price point is amazing. It's about half the price of the equivalent 32-foot size American boat delivered into Australia. We got genset, air conditioning. It's got a bit of a fishing focus, but come straight back here and check out this cockpit space. Just get all this into shot because this is a dance floor. I'm on, instead of teak decking, I've got cork decking, which is quite nice underfoot, and it's a multifunctional space. It's because I folded them up, but I'll just unfold them now for you. You've got all this seating. How good's this? So you can set up for the party when you want, or lounging around. I'm sure you could erect some poles at the back and get some shade out here when you need it. But then when you want to put into fishing mode or some other activity, just fold them all away and you're ready to rock and roll. So that's cool. Obviously outboard power, as you can see, we've got the twin Mercs on the back, but we've got a decent insulated esky just in here. We've got a live bait tank just in here for your fishing, your kid and doggy doors. Oh, there you go. There's facility for the pole, so there is some shade options just there. And then underneath the floor here, we've got access to the genset, which I saw just below there, and two of these large, I'll just open one of them so you can see. So drained, quite deep storage lockers. So they could be kill tanks if you choose, or extra eskies, so you do you. We've got an electric fridge just here and a barbie station. Nice little grill, that's electric power because we're on the genset, so that's not bad. Underneath here we have some more storage. Got the subwoofer here. Do I see any more speakers? Speaker there, so you're going to pump sound out in that direction. And when you start here, this is where the shade begins. So this is a fixed anodized aluminium, black aluminium with a material roof just over the top, giving us shade, and it's a nice stylish looking thing. But you have this seating area here, which would be good for doing this, or maybe 2 or 3 people sitting here if you're underway and you just want to stay under the shade in transit. Storage for some safety gear just below here. Just get into the helm. Does that move? Oh, it is adjustable. I was going to say it's reasonably tight. Oh, there, seat goes back, so that's okay. Big blokes will be fine. Everything you need. I'd have to drive this boat to give you a true sense of it, but I've got all my systems, mobile phone charging, Garmin display, fresh and black water. This is my Mercury display here, electric windlass, key start, got a drink holder, horn. This is my hydro tab, so that's obviously a trim tab system, but I'm just not familiar with that. JL audio, couple more speakers at my feet, and a VHF on starboard. There's a drawer underneath this seat here, which gives you a little bit more storage, and a mobile phone bin, essentially. You can put all your phones in there. That's a charging point, and so everyone's electronic devices can go in there, and that's got an overhang, so no water's actually going to get into that area, so they will be safe if you cop some rain. That's kind of cool. So come on downstairs, and we've got this multifunctional little lounge area. Oh man, they do air conditioning so well here. So I've got an opening escape hatch. It opens actually aft, so that's not going to suck air down. But you've got these 2 opening Lumar hatches here, and the one Lumar also doubles as an escape. That's clearly the shade, which goes out the back. What do we have? A little bit of storage underneath the forward seat, not the sides. Small galley just here. I'll see if this is okay. So that's just a couple of shelves, 2 burners, single seat. It actually pulls out, and then a bit of storage up here. Your 240 control panel, your air conditioning control panel, and proper head with a pull-out shower. It is combined in the single head compartment, but you've got the protection for the Relu roll holder, so you can close it and your dunny roll won't get wet. So I just think this is cool. Like, if you're in a hot climate and you want to do the proper day boating, or if you're a fisherman and you want to keep the missus happy by having a boat that will do both functions, and if you just don't want to spend as much as you need to spend on an American boat, this is a bit of an interesting option. Let me know what you think of this boat in the description, or in the comments, I should say, below. And if you like this, check out the video coming up on the screen right now. I found something else by Silvercraft, which is an absolute weapon.